When it comes to flooring, there's lots of options. And what's going to work best in your home? Well, the team at Dover Floor and Tile can help you out. You have such a selection here. I gotta say, it was a little deceiving walking in because you go in the store and you're like, wow, this is so much bigger than I thought it was.
Yes, most of our clients don't realize how big the showroom is until they come in. Once they're here, they can see that we have one of the largest selections of carpet, tile, luxury vinyl, and hardwood in Northeast Ohio.
So are people a little overwhelmed when they come in? I mean, look at the selection. Look at all this tile.
As you can see, we have your traditional white, gray, marble tile options, as well as a wide array of colors, textures, and patterns to choose from. Our expert design team will work with you from start to finish throughout the design and installation process to help you express your personal style.
So I want to talk flooring options. I hear a lot about luxury plank vinyl. Why is it so popular?
While we still have your traditional hardwood options, the benefits of luxury vinyl are its durability, affordability, and color options. The great thing about luxury vinyl is it's so versatile, and so it makes it a great option if you have kids or pets.
And design options. Sometimes it can be a little overwhelming, but you have people to help you. You have designers. Do you need to make an appointment?
You can call and set up an in-home consultation with one of our designers, or you can stop in at your convenience, whatever is going to work best for your schedule.
Well, that is great that you have in-home consultations.
Yes, our designers will come meet with you at your home, measure the space, and make sure that the product that you picked works best for your space.
Well, that sounds wonderful. Thank you so much for having us out.
Yes, thank you for coming.
Conveniently located in North Olmsted, stop in and see the selection for yourself or online at doverfloorandtile.com.